Okay, can. Anything you need to do what? You need to do anything?
No, this is hand only.
No, you need to make a phone call.
No need.
Okay, sit properly.
Okay.
Relax. Check your collarbone first. Collarbone. Any pain must tell me left side.
A bit.
This actually C1 to C7. The nerve is here. So I tell you like any pain must tell me any pain. Wow. 2, 3, pain. 4, 5, 6, 7. C1, C2 is because of the mobile phone. 3, 4, 5 sleeping.
Okay.
Okay. Check again on the right side. C1. C2, everything. 3, okay. Oh my God. Rotation, turn this left side. Okay. Sometimes when you come for service, I do adjust a bit for you. Yeah. Okay. Very tight here. This one. Which arm pain?
This one.
Okay. Okay. Let me show you rotation. You can get a new pain here. Pain. No. No.
Okay.
Yeah. The problem is your neck twisted to the right side.
Yeah.
Twisted. So that's why when you bend here, very pain. Very pain. And here. And this one here, pain.
Yeah.
Pain. Okay, good. Okay, good. Alright. Okay, here. You repair aircon. I repair human. Human. Okay. Yeah, see this one. Good. Okay. Relax. Your pressure. Your brain pressure. A lot of pressure. He may get some.
Yeah.
Open it up. Oh, pain. Okay, wait. Wow, you got a lot of problem. Just open it. Later I come back to fix some more. Okay? Wow, this also yeah, carpal tunnel this one. Look at you like nothing just a lot of problems.
Yeah.
Close the lid. And look at second stage. Để you guys need more food. Close the lid. Follow this arm. Wow. Lost sound. Now you can breathe easier. Like that. Okay. Sit straight. Rotation. Much better. Much better. Okay. Down. Up. Much easier. Much higher, you can see.
Yeah.
Okay, check back here. C1.
Okay.
C2.
Better.
Not so big. Yeah. all better 啦。OK，C1 C2 much better 啊。
Yeah.
Step back here. How do you feel?
Better.
Better
Yeah, but still
Position
a
wait,
a bit.
not yet, not yet. Only twist your neck.
Okay.
How do you feel? Anything? No, no more lah. Okay. Because your neck was twisted to the right side. Now I put back to the center line.
Oh.
So no more jamming the collarbone, shoulder blade when you rotate it.
Okay.
So that's why you can move. See? Much easier.
Yeah.
Much easier now. Okay, good. Cover your knee. Cover up. Relax. Bend down a bit. The arm. Okay, relax. Relax. C2 much better.
Yeah, better.
Rotation again. Pose also good lah. This one also. The mechanism back to normal lah now. Okay.
Up.
Get up again.
Mm.
Back to back. See, much better.
Yeah.
Rotation. How do you feel? Better than just now?
Yeah, better.
Okay, good. Good. You feel better and better later after the evolution away.
Okay.
After about one hour.
Okay.
Okay. Much better. Good. Okay, come over here. And just a bit for your body also. Lie down, face up. Face up. Okay, thân side đi. Thân side đi. Bring up. Okay, good. Thân để side. Thân để side. Chỉ sẽ tới đây lấy được cho họ.
Yeah. Các bạn hay cho ta.
Okay, that's it. Relax. Relax. You should look for Krishna. Krishna, you know Krishna?
No. I know who.
You know who?
I don't know.
I learned from him.
Oh.
Actually, I from young learned from my grandfather first.
Oh.
Yeah, further study from him. See this see, look at your pelvis. Can you go down? Okay. Check your L3, L4, okay. L4, okay. That's right. Oh, okay. Torture, yeah. Okay, see this one. L3, L4, L5. Oh, wow. Oh. Okay, tụi mình nói chạy cho con lại chạy nè, mang về kìa, bây giờ không bây giờ đi assistant to help for this part. This part I myself cannot can do lah, but not so good. Yeah, if I have an assistant, we will better hold.
Okay, can.
Okay, relax lah.
Got back problem also.
Hello, okay, relax lah. pelvis back you're setting. Okay, good. Relax. Okay, good. Good Okay, another one. Okay, good. Adjust your ankle Relax. Don't worry. One more time. Squeeze the leg. Good. See the difference now. Now take a watch like this. Now you see. Different
Yeah.
Very different
Yeah.
Good. Rotation. Better.
Yeah.
See this one? Very good. Okay, so back here L3, L4, L5. Yes, sir. Not pain Good. Lower bending so when you walk your leg stronger.
Oh.
Yeah, this is controlling your leg
Oh.
Yeah, so that's why you feel very weak when you walk straight Okay. Okay. Come face down. I do the full setting for you. Free don't worry Yeah, no, fair Slow you so long. Okay, close the leg. Wow. This alignment Shoulder blade
How is the shoulder?
Okay, yeah. Relax After a while, no problem Everything The neck rotation problem, not so much the folding shoulder. The neck, twist to the right side. Okay, one more time. Okay, pull up. Slowly lift up your body 1, 2, 3, up. Fix your T6 This one controlling your shoulder.
Okay.
That's why your shoulder pain. Okay, here Hear the sound pop. Okay, lift up your lower back fix your lower back problem. 1, 2, 3, up. Relax Relax Relax. Don't worry. Relax one more time. Your spine, the alignment wrong.
Oh.
Run to the push to the back.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's like go back. Better now. Let's check your little first. L3, L4, anything?
No.
L5, next one. No pain Your problem all in front
Yeah.
Relax Yeah, this few days you try not to carry too much heavy item
Okay.
Right down here. Just right down here. Ganesh You like Ganesh Ganesh, elephant god.
Thailand.
Thailand elephant god
I thought you're Christian.
Đúng đó.
Lift up, lift up. Ganesh. I got one very nice Ganesh at my table there.
Oh, also from Thailand.
This one from India.
Oh,
From India. Ganesh. You know the Hindu temple?
yeah, I know.
Lift up. Okay. So breathe in and out. The tongue don't put near the teeth. Use the nose to breathe in and out. Relax, relax. Tighten it. Okay, just relax the whole body. Relax. Relax. Breathe in. Good. Like it? Wow, like fly.
Really got sound.
Yes, unlock everything. Decompress everything. Okay, bend your leg. Lift up. Okay, very good. Very good. No more pain. Later you try to walk, you feel more stronger. Your burst power. Like you see something you have to run, immediately can run.
Oh,
More efficient. There's the nerve no more stuck.
oh,
No more pressing. Okay, yeah. Okay, now come back here. Okay. C1, C2, all open up. Okay. Okay, time, rotation. Rotation. Up, down, up. Okay, good up. No more jamming up. Okay, check the arm now. Good. Okay, lah. Anything? Check your arm. Anything?
a bit.
Tapi but better lah. Wah, you understand? Good. Okay, good. Feel better now? Better. Because of here got one triangle.
Oh,
They share this from
Oh.
the joint here. Better lah. Must adjust here.
okay.
This also. Okay, adjust this finger. Yeah, this one is a modern data.
Oh,
Combine the Western. Because we also study bone structure in Australia.
yeah.
And also study further in Italy. Also, so we combine Chinese, Western,
Together.
all modern study, all combined. So we understand the bone, the structure. So that's why we know this problem is from here. Yeah. Feel okay? Good. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah, no more pain now. Good.
Oh, no more.
Okay? Good. Answer? Much better now.
Yeah, better.
Much better now. Okay, good. Is that okay? 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 Good. Yeah, very good. Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, come over here. Okay, come over here. Okay, open your leg. Not so much, like me. Okay, stop that. 1, 2, 3. Anything with your back? Anything?
No.
Anything comfortable now?
Yeah, come on.
Move your body, okay? Your arm, lift up. Okay, comfortable?
Yeah, only here I think got this stuck.
Wait. Sit down. Sit down. Okay? Just some little bit more.
Okay.
Little bit more. Okay. Usually first time pull the neck is like that.
Oh,
Okay. Good. One more lah. Okay, good. Down, up. Try to move. Okay. No more stuck.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Yeah. All your bone, all section, all fixed already.
Oh,
Yeah.
Then here, oh.
This one have to let it subside.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how I did adjust. Actually, your problem is not because of the shoulder, it's the neck.
Oh.
Your neck twisted. So
Oh.
that's why I put the collarbone, shoulder blade, and the rotator cuff.
Oh.
So that's why here, like cannot turn.
Yeah,
It's from here,
Yeah.
the nerve sending a signal here to tense this area. So that's why you cannot turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from the nerve, from the C6, C7.
Oh. Thank you so much.
Okay, so go good.
Yeah, was good.
Ah,
Thank you so
so
much.
good. At least you can work well.